Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be by RPGhair. This is actually my first time working with this company. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make your wig look natural. And so the best thing about this wig is that it already comes bleached. This is going to be their 18-inch body wave in 150% density. So this hair is like very soft. Like, I know I say that about all these wigs, but I do want to let you all know up front, this hair is soft. And this is going to be their 360. There is lace all the way around, and I'm showing you all the bleached knots. So I did go ahead and I tightened the straps very tight. Sometimes I go ahead and I overlap them. When you overlap them, this kind of causes you not to be able to use the back comb, but to me it's so secure that I don't need that back comb in the back. I do go ahead and I take out all the 2 combs in the top, because as you seen at the beginning, it did come with 3 combs in the inside. So I go ahead and I just take my scissors. You want to make sure everything is pushed back, and you want to cut I can't even talk. You want to cut on the line, and sometimes you want to go ahead. It just depends. I mean, they're actually getting very good about the hairline, so they don't have you looking boxy. It doesn't have you looking crazy. So I did forget to show you all what I'm using, but I'm using nothing but just the Got to Be glue gel, the actually white one, not the clear one. And yes, that is it. I definitely like this method. Very quick if I'm just wanting to take it off at the end of the day, or if I wanted to wear it for about 3 days. And so afterwards, this is what you get, and I love it. So one of the things I wanted to ask you all is that, how do you feel? Are you a baby hair person, or are you not a baby hair person? So I'm going to be showing you all what one side looks with baby hair and with one side looks without baby hair. But to me, I love baby hair. So for me, like, you have to get your hair natural. Is this, like, you have to pull out and thin out your edges. And this right here gives you that clean scalp look. This is what you want. Like, to me, I feel like it can only be achieved with baby hair. Now, as you see, the baby hair in the front is kind of a little bit thick, so I'm going to end up thinning it out with some tweezers. And there we go right there. So to me, if you just want wispies, you don't really want like baby hairs like coming from a mile away or something like that. Like, you really can just thin out your hairline, and then that still will give you that scalp look. And as you can see, like, I'm telling you, I have been getting comments all day about this wig. I love this wig, I'm not gonna lie. And so I was just like, this reminds me of my hair. And so yes, and so like always, I go ahead and I use the KeraCare Waxstick. For everyone that always asks me in each video, it is the KeraCare Waxstick. I will definitely have the link down below for Amazon if you want to purchase it. I'd rather you purchase it on Amazon, because I know my store, beauty supply store, sells it for like $16 in Gnosis. And so here, this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you, what it looks like without baby hair and what it looks like with baby hair. And like I always say, you don't have to have the oh my gosh baby hair look. You can always just thin out to like little thin wispies. But this is how you would get your hair to look natural. Like, that looks nothing but scalp, sis. And to go ahead and let you all know, no, I do not wear caps underneath my wigs at all. I get asked that all the time. My customers ask me that for my own wig line. Do you wear caps? No, I do not. And it still looks like scalp. I like my hair to breathe, especially because summer is coming up. And so yes, that is something that I do not wear underneath. And so here I'm just using a barrel. I think it's like a 1-inch and something. And I'm just putting some curls in it. And I love this body wave pattern. It is so pretty. So let me know down below what you all think. Are you a baby hair person, or are you not a baby hair person? And so if you are wanting to buy this wig, make sure you click the link down below in the description box. I will also have the links for the KeraCare Waxstick and also for the hot comb. I do not have the link, unfortunately, for the curling iron. I know sometimes the people ask me, and I'm sorry. I think I got this at Walmart though. But I think I want to say it is a 1-inch and something. I would definitely leave that inch down below in the description box also. And thank you all for tuning in for this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.